the crisscross. So I just did a few different variations there. If you're struggling with learning how to do crisscrosses, there's 4 common mistakes. The first one is crossing the rope too high up the body. As you can see right there, what's happening? The rope is coming quite high up on my legs. So in order to jump that, I'm gonna have to jump quite high, or I'm going to have to hunch over to add some length to the rope, and that's very inefficient. You don't want to be hunching over too much when you're jumping. So this method, unless you're using a long rope, it might not be the best technique. Another very common problem is when doing the figure 8 is a lot of people, when they're crossing the rope and uncrossing the rope, they bring their arms too high up the body. What happens then? Similarly, the rope goes way too high up my legs. It's gonna be hard to jump that. Another very common problem is when people are doing the cross, when they're crossing their arms, their wrists, they cross far too much. They really cross the arms, and what happens there? Similarly, the rope comes high up my legs. So I'm gonna need a high rope, a long rope, or I may need to hunch over, which is very inefficient. Another really common problem is when uncrossing the rope. Let's say you cross the rope well, but then when you uncross the rope, you're too aggressive. Maybe you're too excited, you swing your arms too far wide. What happens again? The rope is coming high up on my legs. So I've got a full tutorial video on how to learn how to improve your crisscrosses, and here it is up here or up there. Take a look at that. I highly recommend watching that, and I really hope it helps you improve or learn how to do crisscrosses. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.